Enugu, popularly known as the Coal City State, is one of the most beautifully planned cities in Nigeria, located in the southeastern region. Enugu houses some of the most beautiful and most expensive residential estates in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be sharing with you top 5 most expensive estates in Enugu based on rent, cost of buying a property, and location of the estates. Number 5. Liberty Estate. Located in Independence Layout, Enugu, Liberty Estate stands as one of the most beautiful and most expensive estates in Enugu. The estate boasts of tarred roads, street lights, garden and green areas for relaxation, hotel and a mini stadium. Rent in this estate ranges from 600,000 to 1 million for a one-bedroom apartment and 1.5 million to 4 million for apartments ranging from 3-bedroom to 5-bedroom. While property in this estate are valued for 160 million to 180 million. If you are looking to own a property in one of the most secure and gated estates in Enugu, Liberty Estate is a place for you. Number 4. Fidelity Estate. Situated along Ebano Tunnel Road, GRA, Enugu, Fidelity Estate, formerly known as Ebano Estate, is one of the most expensive and luxurious estates in Enugu. The estate, which was built in 2005, houses about 40 buildings. If you wish to live in one of the coolest neighborhoods in Enugu, you should consider Fidelity Estate. Rent in this estate ranges from 1.5 million naira to 4 million. While property in this estate are valued for 170 million to 200 million. Number 3. Coal City Garden Estate. Located in the upscale neighborhood of GRA Enugu, just behind the Central Bank of Nigeria, Coal City Garden Estate is one of the finest and beautifully planned and secure estates in the city of Enugu. Property in this estate are valued for 150 million to 300 million. For apartments ranging from 4-bedroom to 6-bedroom duplex, while rent in this estate ranges from 2.3 million naira to 6.5 million for apartments ranging from 2-bedroom to 6-bedroom. If you are looking for a quiet and cozy neighborhood to stay in Enugu, you should consider Coal City Garden Estate. Number 2. Ekulu East Estate. Located inside the former Enugu State Zoo is Ekulu East Estate, popularly known as Zoo Estate. Zoo Estate, as it is popularly called, is one of the most beautifully planned, hence very expensive estates in Enugu. This gated high-profile community located in GRA Enugu has lots of beautiful residential properties as well as commercial. Properties in this estate are valued for 180 million to 300 million for apartments ranging from 4-bedroom to 6-bedroom duplex, while rent in this estate ranges from 4 million to 10 million for apartments ranging from 3-bedroom to 6-bedroom duplex. If you are looking to stay in a well secured and gated estate in Enugu, Ekulu East Estate is a place for you. Number 1. Gulf Estate, Enugu. Located in GRA, within the Enugu-Onitsha Express Road, Gulf Estate is one of the largest estates in the city of Enugu. Highly secured, well-planned, serene, and beautiful. The estate is home to Enugu State Golf Course, hence the name Gulf Estate. Gulf Estate is one of the most affluent community in Enugu, and properties in this estate are valued for between 190 million to over 300 million. While rent in this part of the city ranges from 1.6 million to over 10 million naira for apartments ranging from 2-bedroom to 6-bedroom flat or duplex. If you are looking to live in one of the most affluent neighborhoods in Enugu, Gulf Estate is a place for you. Do you live in Enugu or been to any of these estates before? Which of these estates would you like to reside in? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe if you are yet to do so. See you in my next video.